It's summer at the Efteling, and you know what that means? That's right, food. Our first food here is going to be the Kaiserschmarrn Oreo with the lemon curd. It looks great, so I'm really excited to try that one out. Let's dig in. It's really good, like it's really summery with lemon flavor, and it's basically pancakes. It's mashed up pancakes, so excellent. The Kaiserschmarrn was worth it. The other option was with strawberry and white chocolate. Apparently not too heavy, so great for summer. Great to just fill your tummy a bit. It's not super filling, but it's good. It's good. Demons, all of them. Okay, so the first proper food is the Bao Bun. This colorful thing has a seaweed, chicken, some spicy mayo, and some caramelized onions, I think, so it should be really good. Really excited to dig in. So, enjoy. Chicken is really good. Without dieting, we'll see why not. It has a really fresh taste, like a bit sour, but it fits really well with the entire flavor, so really good, really good. So the final verdict is that it's a really good snack, but it's a bit of an oversized snack. It's not really that fills you up completely. But luckily here on Summer Beach there's more options, so let's give something else a try. So our next snack to try here is the nachos. Looks pretty good. It's a taste, but good stuff. Fits with the summer vibe. Has jalapenos, cheese, tomato, spring onion. So, and pretty cheap for €5.50. So dig in. So for dessert we have a confetti ice. This is cookie and cream and chocolate and waffle. Curious, the thing itself can be eaten, but these are just like little balls of ice. Surprisingly good actually. Fun combination. And the fun thing is you can eat the bowl that is in, so it's a nice little treat, especially if you're at the summer beach part here to polish off the other food. I gotta say the chocolate and waffle flavor isn't that great, but the cookie and cream was, so time to finish the bowl.
So, how would I rate these items? Starting with the Kaiserschmarrn, it may not just be a summer offering, but it was new. I would rate it at 4.5 stars. Overall, it was a nicely balanced snack and a fun take on pancakes. I would highly recommend this one. Next, the Bao Bun, an actual summer offering. I'm rating it at 4 stars. The flavors complement each other really well, and this was the highlight of the Efteling beach area. Then we have the loaded nachos. They were solid and I would give them 3.5 stars. You get quite a big portion, but they are what you expect of nachos. Good, but nothing too special. And lastly, we have the confetti ice cream. It started off promising, but the difference between the two flavors I had was too big. Because of that, 2.5 stars. I do like the concept, but the chocolate and waffle flavor was quite underwhelming. So this was my first time doing something food related at the park. Please let me know down in the comments what you thought of it and what I could improve on, because it won't be the last, as something big is coming to the Efteling.